Here's the harsh truth. In 2021, most health professionals are still marketing themselves as if it's 2020. But the game has changed. AI is rewriting the rules, short form video dominates the attention span, and outdated strategies are sinking practices. In this video, I'm uncovering the 5 biggest marketing mistakes that's holding your business back and showing you exactly how to fix them with strategies that's built for today's world. So if you're ready to transform your marketing and start growing like never before, let's get right into it. The health industry has never been more competitive than it is now. Let's face it, clients have endless options, and if your marketing doesn't stand out, it's game over. Technology like AI and virtual reality is reshaping how we connect, but most health professionals haven't even caught up. So today, I'm not gonna show you just what you're doing wrong. I'm gonna give you the exact roadmap to get ahead, stay relevant, and dominate 2025. So mistake number 1, social media presence. Let's start with social media. Raise your hand if that sounds familiar. You're posting motivational quotes, basic health tips, or those "did you drink enough water today" type of posts. Now the problem, you look like every other health professional that's out there, and your audience isn't inspired. They're just scrolling right past you. The fix is to create polarizing, data-driven content that positions you as the authority. Instead of "drink water," try 80% of your fatigue could be due to dehydration. But here's the real problem. Your body isn't absorbing it effectively. And here's how to fix it. This is how you stand out by diving deeper, being bold, and showing that you're the expert. Now, mistake number 2 is ignoring AI and automations. AI is everywhere in 2025. Yet so many health professionals are still stuck manually creating posts and scrambling to stay consistent. What happens? You burn out, your content looks scattered, and nothing truly sticks. Now, the fix is to leverage AI for planning and creating your content. Then automate the posting and distribution, and imagine having your entire month's content created in hours and scheduled while you're focusing on your clients. Tools like ChatGPT, Sonnet can help you write, while platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite handle the scheduling. So stop wasting your time on those low impact tasks and start actually working smarter. Now, mistake number 3, underutilizing video content. Let's talk about video. You're hiding behind text posts or avoiding short form videos, you're leaving massive opportunity on the table. People want to see you, your face, your voice. It's going to build trust instantly. Now, the fix is to adapt a video first strategy. So start small, create a 30-second reel or TikTok sharing quick, actionable insights that's bold, punchy, and actually intriguing. You got to showcase your personality and your expertise. And platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok reward creators who do show off on the video. So it's definitely time to put yourself out there. Now, mistake number 4, poor offer positioning. What do I mean by that? Here's a tough pill to swallow. If you're competing on price or offering way too many services, you're going to be confusing your audience. So clients don't want to see 20 options. They want one solution to their biggest problem. Now, the fix is to create one signature offer that solves a specific pain point. Instead of "I help with weight loss, muscle gain, better sleep," you can try "I help busy professionals lose 15 pounds in 90 days without restrictive dieting." The clearer your offer is, the easier it is for people who say yes. Now, mistake number 5 is going to be inconsistent brand messaging. If your messaging changes every time someone visits a different platform, you're going to be losing trust. People should know exactly who you are and what you stand for, no matter where they find you. Now, the fix is to develop a unified brand message that's going to resonate everywhere. This means refining your tone, values, and core promises, and then ensuring it's consistent across your website, social media, and emails. Build trust through consistency and clarity. Now that we have covered the mistakes, let's talk about solutions. Here's your 2025 marketing framework to build authority, save time, and grow faster. Number 1, authority positioning. This is where you got to develop your unique point. Like, what is that one thing that you stand for that others don't? What is that one topic that you can go on talking about for hours? Because a lot of times I've seen people people to like want to build that brand voice, except they're targeting stuff that they don't even know much about it. And if that's you, you're gonna be basically in deep part of my language. When you share bold, data-driven opinions, when you start to not be afraid to challenge the status quo, and when you are unique and you truly speak as if you're talking to a friend on camera, that is how people resonate with you, and they're like, whoa, I want to work with this doctor. She's revolutionary, she's hitting all the right points, and she's calling me out via her content. When you lead with results, when you showcase client stories or real world outcome, or even let's say you're a brand new practitioner, you don't have testimonials, when you share what got you into natural medicine to begin with, that is how people start resonating with you, and they're like, yeah, he's an authority or he's an authority, we know who she or he is, and we definitely want to be working with them. Number 2, content strategy. This is where you can use different AI tools to help map out content ideas, but you should not be relying on AI. You gotta understand platform specific content, because what works on Instagram might flop on TikTok or on LinkedIn, and you just gotta tailor and adjust your strategies a little bit. And when you build a content ecosystem, when you know exactly what you're posting, when you're posting it, like with your videos, emails, social media posts, whether it's like your story sequences, carousels, they are going to be working together seamlessly. So what we do at our place, we literally have an entire content pipeline built out. I know exactly what I'm going to talk about in my YouTube videos. All of our messaging is also consistent. The way I do it is I repurpose our short form videos onto TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, sometimes even occasionally on Facebook. Then I also have like about 1100 to 1300 character style of long form copy where I upload it with a picture, typically on Facebook, and then I repurpose that into an email format, and I also repurpose that into a story sequence type of a format. And that is how you can make sure you're not burning out. You do not need to be original for every single post. They can work together so harmoniously, because let's say somebody who checks their emails, maybe they don't look at Instagram story sequences or they don't look at carousels, and that is how you can tap into it. I do change the long form copy into a carousel copy too, so yeah, it just works perfectly. And this is where you understand, like, AI tools are wonderful for helping you to build upon stuff further, but you gotta understand the skeleton of virality, like what makes a video to actually perform versus a video that flops. And it's way more than what the actual video says. It's about the lighting, the angle, the positioning, the caption, the audio, and those are important, but so is also the meat of the content. The way you're presenting it, one creator's video might flop while another one's go viral. Why? Because the first line is punchy, the hook is attractive, the body of it calls people out, it's a little bit controversial, and it's intriguing. Sometimes maybe they leave a little bit out of it, they don't share the full thing, and you have to follow to see the rest of their stuff. With that being said, we go on to number 3, which is automation systems. And this is so important because as you are growing your business, you got to implement automations for different aspects of your pipeline. Let's say somebody comes to your profile, they absolutely love it. Instead of you constantly reaching out, messaging people, you could use ManyChat to start the conversations for you. You can use your link in bio as a great way to funnel people in, train them even more. So you just got to understand, how can I make my life easier as a health professional, and how can I build that authority and presence on social media, because the world has changed. And if you're not catching up, then you have to use the outdated strategy, or you have to sit in office and rely on that referral from Mary or John, pray that somebody sends you more new clients along the way, or spend money on ads. But I'm here to tell you that there is a huge market opportunity for you if you're a health coach or a health professional and you're trying to expand and you're trying to bring on a new clientele, because that way you're no longer bound to your in-person people or to people that your friends, for them to grow your business. You know exactly what your data is. Every 10,000 views, you're getting a booked call, and all you have to do is just make more videos that increase the view chance. That is the type of data that you need as a health professional to actually grow your presence and your practice online. Now, how can you put all of this in action in the next 3 weeks? So for week 1, have brand clarity, define your unique position in the market, create a compelling message that speaks to your ideal clients, and build or refine your online presence across all the platforms, and see how can you make it seamless. If you like, I can drop an hour-long training going in depth into how we make our content system seamless, and you can totally benefit from it as well. Week 2, content revolution. And this is where you can set up AI tools to streamline your automations or your marketing. You can build reusable content templates like for your email campaigns or Instagram reels, and you can automate the content distribution so you're not constantly like manually posting stuff on your end. And week 3 is going to be the automation implementation. This is where you gotta choose the right tech for your business, and you gotta understand what is taking so much time out of your day and what can you delegate either to an AI or to a VA even for the VA to do those stuff for you. And this is where you gotta set up workflows for lead nurturing and follow-ups. And you just gotta create systems to actually measure results and refine your strategy. So I have created a comprehensive 100K health offer that walks you through everything we just discussed. Drop transform in the comments below and I'll send it your way. Remember, the old ways of marketing are dead. In 2025, it's all about evolving, standing out, and embracing the tools and strategies that actually work. And if you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and together we're rewriting the rules for health professionals. See you in the next video.